At Vulcan, we understand that every kitchen is unique. To work efficiently, chefs need the right equipment in their cook line to match their workflow and their menu. Achieving that perfect combination is easy with Vulcan's flexible Endurance series restaurant ranges. Users can select from more than 300 different Endurance range configurations to meet their precise needs. Mix and match from a variety of options and accessories to create the ultimate range. Select the number of burners and choose from manual or thermostatic griddles, charbroilers, standard or convection ovens, integrated refrigeration, and more in almost any configuration. Create a custom cooking station from 12 to 72 inches. No matter what combination you choose, there's no long wait. Many configurations are in stock, ready for immediate shipping. And custom configurations can be built and shipped in just a few days. Every Endurance range begins with a durable, fully welded frame made to last for years, protecting your investment. Many range options feature exclusive innovations that improve productivity and save time and effort. A Traulsen refrigerated drawer base eliminates frequent trips to the refrigerator, enhancing productivity while protecting food safety. Our flash tube pilot system for open-top burners places a single pilot between two burners, so it won't go out due to spills or boilovers. Fewer pilots also reduce energy consumption, saving an average of more than $300 a year for a 6-burner range. Our optional flame safety burners automatically cease gas flow if the pilot is extinguished, reducing risk. And our press and click piezo ignition system accelerates pilot reignition, avoiding delays that can impact productivity. Choose standard or convection ovens. Our 35,000 BTU standard oven is the largest in the industry, offering more even heat distribution for a more consistent product. Our 36-inch oven thermostats are located in the cool zone, helping ensure component reliability and long life. To stand up to the rigors of the busiest kitchens, our oven doors feature compression spring mechanisms. It all adds up to more productivity, greater reliability, lower cost of ownership, and, of course, better cooking. To succeed in today's busy kitchens, you need to be flexible, versatile, and on point every day. Vulcan Endurance restaurant ranges consistently meet that challenge. Learn more at vulcanequipment.com.